Listen, a lot of times you sit in your room, you sit in your house, and you focus, you hyper focus on a lot of things that's going on in your life. You know, one of the number one ways for you to shift your energy is to take you a nature walk. Get you a nature walk. Get out in nature. Walk. See these trees? Now they just trees to the average person. But once you start to have a trained mind and start to understand the circle of life, you start to understand that these trees are part of our ecosystem. They provide good, clean oxygen. And if you're in the house, what are you surrounded by? Walls. You got to get out there in nature. Allow that good, fresh air to be absorbed so you can feel refreshed. Take you a nice little walk. Get your mind right. Get focused. Appreciate the small things. I mean, when you appreciate the small things, God bless you with more. You gotta build trust with God. You know, you can't be wanting something big, but you can't take care of the small. Appreciate the small. Love it, man. I'm appreciative. That's one of the, I guess it's a gift and a curse of coming from nothing. When you come from nothing, it's easy to appreciate stuff. Because you know when it was a time when you ain't had nothing, like just nothing, but you was just as happy though. When you was a kid, think about them times, reflect. You ain't had nothing, but you was happy. We complicate our lives too much with comparing ourselves to others. You ain't never gonna be happy as long as you're doing that. Appreciate the small things. You're breathing, you're looking good, you're feeling good. Whatever you got, appreciate it.